What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Don C, 3N's, coming live from the Jeep. And today I'm about to show you guys how to put your Jeep into 4-wheel drive. Got my head all wrapped because it's kind of cold out there today. All the snow, as you can see. So I'm about to use 4-wheel drive to get out of this. Okay, so what I like to do is first grab my clutch, put it in neutral. Alright, it's in neutral. Then I go to the 4-wheel drive clutch, and you see you have 2 high, 4 high, neutral, and 4 low, if you didn't know what the H, and the L stood for. So I will keep my foot on the brake in here, pull down, and make sure it's pulled down and in spot and in the correct place, and then boom, your car should tell you right here to the left that your car is now in 4 high, and you should be good to go.